Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So in this video, we will solve the arithmetic progression 5.2 exercise of CBC board, 1.2 exercise of Karnataka State board. So we'll solve the next question, the third main fifth question. The question is, as usual, you need to fill the missing terms. Now how to solve this? First, you need to write down the given terms as a1, A2, A third term, A fourth term, A fifth term, and A sixth term. Okay. Now you need to write down the data. Whatever they have given, that you need to write down, and what you need to find out, that also you need to write down. Okay. So they have given A second term. A second term is how much? 38. Also they have given A sixth term. So A sixth term is how much? Minus 22. Okay. Now what you need to find out? ನೀವು ಏನನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. A1 is nothing but A is equals to question mark. A third term you need to find out. A fourth term you need to find out. Also you need to find A fifth term. Okay children. Now how will you find these values? As I said already, for example, what is the formula to find the A third term? So last class alle, last video dalle ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So by using a nth term formula, you can write that any formula based on A3 or A10 or A5, whatever they have asked. Now what is the formula to find the A third term? Nothing but A plus 2 into D, right? The next one is A fourth, A plus 3 into D. A fifth term will be A plus 4 into D. So this is the formula children. Okay, now here if you want the values of A third term, means you need A value and a D value. So first term ಬೇಕು and the common difference ಬೇಕು. Now A term nothing but the first term or a common difference ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So that means you need to find the first term and also as well as the common difference. Now how will you find the first term and a common difference? By using these two condition, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ condition use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you can find the A first term and a common difference D. So if you find the value of A and D, means then you can easily apply the value of A and D in this, and you can find the A third term, A fourth term, and also A fifth term. Okay, so that means we need to write down the condition. Now whatever they have given the condition, I'll write down. The first condition they have given is A second term. A second term is how much? 38. Okay, now I think you know the formula children. What is the formula to find the A second term? Nothing but A plus D is equals to 38. Okay, now just send D to the right hand side. If you send D to the right hand side, means it will become minus, because here plus is there. So therefore A is equals to 38 minus D. Okay, call it as equation number 1. Okay, now just take down the second condition. So what is the second condition? Second condition is A sixth term is minus 22. Okay, now what is the formula to find the A sixth term? So A plus 5 into D is equals to minus 22. Now just observe A sixth term. So by using a nth term formula, we have wrote this formula. Okay, so nth term formula will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is how much? 6. So therefore I'll write here A sixth term A plus n minus 1 into D. Nothing but n they have given 6th term. So therefore A plus n is 6 minus 1 into D. So that's equals to a plus 6 minus 1 is 5d, nothing but 5 into d. So this is the formula to find the a sixth term by using a nth term formula. Okay, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ a sixth term na a plus 5d ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, now call it as equation number 2. This has equation number 2. Now just put d equals to, put a equals to, this is a equals to 38 minus d in equation 2. Just apply the a value. Here you have a a value, right? A is equals to how much? 38 minus d. Adanna just apply in the place of a in the second equation. So put a is equals to 38 minus d in equation number 2. Okay, now what is the equation number 2? Equation number 2 is, I'll write here, a plus 5d is equals to minus 22. Now here you need to put a value as 38 minus d in equation number 2, nothing but in this equation, right? So now here a, instead of a I'll write 38 minus d plus 5d is equals to minus 22. The 5d remains same, minus 22 remains same, just I have applied the a value here. A value is how much? 38 minus d. Okay, now just simplify this to get the value of d. So that implies, now 38 write down as usual. Now here minus into plus will be minus, so therefore you need to subtract. So nothing is there means 1 is there, so therefore if you subtract 5d minus 1d is nothing but it's 4d. Also you need to write down the sign of a biggest number. The biggest number is how much? The biggest number is 5 and the symbol is plus, so therefore plus 4d is equals to minus 22. Now in this equation just send 38 to the right hand side. So I'll write once again, 38 plus 4d is equals to minus 22. So 4d is equals to minus 22. If you send plus 38 to right hand side means it will become minus 38. That implies now 4d is equals to, here minus into minus will be plus, so therefore you need to add. Okay, so just add the both. So here 8 plus 2 is 10, so 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 6, so therefore minus 60. Clear children? Okay, now minus into minus will be plus 28 plus 38 is 60, sign of a biggest number. Biggest number is 38, sign is minus, so therefore minus 60. So that implies 4d is equals to minus 60, d is equals to, we need d value, right? So therefore keep the d as usual in the same place and send 4 to the right hand side. So if you send 4 to the right hand side means it will become divide. So now divide, so 4 1s 4, so the remaining is 2, so now it will become 20. So 4 5s 20, so therefore the common difference will be minus 15. Okay, nothing but the d is minus. So now we got the d value. Now just apply this d value in the equation number 1. So put d is equals to minus 15 in equation number 1. Okay, so what is that equation number 1? Equation number 1 is a is equals to 38 minus d. So that implies, now you know the value of d, right? Just apply the d value, then you'll get the a value, the first term. So therefore a is equals to 38 minus of minus 15, because d value is minus 15. Okay, so this implies a is equals to 38, minus into minus will be plus, so therefore plus 15. That implies a value will be, so just you need to add the both. So 38 plus 15 will be 53. Okay, so now you got the a value as well as the d value. Now just apply these two value in the given condition, or what you need to find out. Okay, just apply the value a and d here and you'll get the a third term. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ or values apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you'll get the a fourth term and also a fifth term. Okay, now we need to find the first a third term. Okay, so therefore a third term is equals to a plus 2d. That implies, okay, a, what is the value of a? A is 53 plus 2 into, what is the common difference? Common difference is minus 15. Okay, so that implies 53 plus, now wait, so whenever you are multiplying, you need to multiply the numbers also, and also you need to multiply the symbols also. Okay, so now here plus into minus will be minus, so therefore write down this as minus. Sorry, here it is minus, so therefore 15 to the 30. Again I will say, children, here 53 plus into minus will be minus, 15 to the 30. So that implies a third term is equals to, now 53 minus 30, so the answer is 23. Now this is the a third term. Okay, now like this find the a fourth term and as well as a fifth term. Now we'll find the a fourth term. So a fourth term will be a plus 3 into d. So that implies a fourth term is equals to, a value is 53 plus 3 into d value is minus 15. So that implies a fourth term will be 53. Now here you need to multiply the number as well as the, you need to multiply the symbol. So plus into minus will be minus, so 15 3 is a 45. Okay, now subtract, so therefore a fourth term will be, so subtract 53 minus 45, so therefore the answer will be 8. So now this is the a fourth term. Last you need to find a fifth term. So a fifth term formula, a plus 4 into d. Okay, so that implies a fifth term is equals to, a will be 53 plus 4 into d will be minus 15. So that implies 53 plus into minus will be minus, so you need to multiply the number as usual, you need to multiply the symbols also. 15 4 is 60. Okay, here plus into minus will be minus, so therefore a fifth term will be, so now just subtract 53 minus 60, so the answer will be 7. Sign of a biggest number is 60, sign is minus, so therefore minus 7. Now you have found the value of a fifth term and also a third term and also a fourth term and also a fifth term. Okay, how much? So a third term will be 23, so a fourth term will be 8 and a fifth term will be minus 7, and as usual you have found the value of the first term. The first term will be 53. Okay, and this is how we will solve the problems. Just you need to write down the data and you need to write down what you need to find out. Afterwards you need to use the condition to find the to find whatever you need. Okay, and thank you.